Well, lots of folks are asking us, hey man, are you off grid? Do you have your own water? What do you do about electricity? We're going to answer them questions just in a couple of minutes. Be right back. Well, living in Florida, we need to always be aware of hurricanes and severe thunderstorms. It is not unusual at all to lose power here in a rural setting like where we're at. There's a lot, it's heavily wooded and there's power lines, and these trees are getting thrown around and knocking down lines all the time. Like every time a severe storm comes through here, you can get 50 to 70 mile an hour winds with not unusual whatsoever. So when they do, you lose power, you could be out of power for a while. And what's important is being able to keep that power running, because in our case, we have a deep well, submersible well, 250-foot well straight into the Florida aquifer. And if I lose power, I lose water. So we can't afford to do that. So we have a full house backup generator system, and let me show you how that works. Right here we have a propane tank. This is what the whole house backup generator runs off of propane. So we get this filled up once a year. It lasts all year. And if we was to lose power from a major storm such as a hurricane or something, this thing could run about a month, maybe even longer. And it gives us full backup for the house, the shop, and the barn. So all of our electrical needs here are backed up fully with our little generator, propane fed generator. So let me walk you around and show you the generator. This is the generator sitting on a little concrete foundation right here. There's a master switch up on the house, and it senses when the electrical grid is disrupted. This automatically fires off with the propane firing it off, and this runs and back feeds everything with our electrical needs, including the pump house. So this is a good thing to have, not only for hurricanes, but like I say, severe thunderstorms, which come out here quite frequently. It's nothing to lose power for 5 or 6 hours over here, or even 24 hours, you know, once every 2 or 3 weeks. It's not unusual at all. So this isn't unusual. This is pretty common out here where we live. Everybody has them. So it's just a precaution that you may want to think about if you're going to be moving out real rural and you're not off grid like we are. We're on grid, folks, but this is a good backup for that. This is our pump house, deep well inside, deep submersible well, and also an irrigation pump and motor, so we can run our irrigation. That's our system here. The deep submersible pump's back there in the corner. You can't really see it because it's just a flange on the bottom, but all of this works together and supplies all of our water needs for drinking water as well as irrigation. So a lot of folks around here also, there are some folks that actually live off grid here, and they drink out of the springs. This area here has over 600 freshwater, clean Florida springs coming up from the Florida aquifer. That limestone is deteriorated over the centuries. It's porous like Swiss cheese, and when that surface gets kind of close under that pressure, it'll break through and create a spring. Usually makes a little small lake and a creek. The rivers are fed from the springs. Silver Springs is right up the road, which feeds the Ocklawaha River, which is our favorite fishing hole. That's all spring fed, crystal clear water, and a lot of folks drink straight from that. Right up the road here, there's a spring that comes up on the side of the road. They've put a PVC pipe in it, capped it off, and they've got a spigot that comes out that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Folks just come up and fill up their water jugs and drink that crystal clean, clear water. It's just as good a water as you could ever eat. And it's also a backup for us. If something happened, we lost power, and something happened that we lost the backup, plan C is run up there and get some jugs of water right out the spring, so we always have water. So we might as well just jump in the truck and run up there and let you take a look at this this spring, natural spring that people utilize for drinking water. Let's take a ride. Well, here we are. We're on the side of the road. This is a busy road, so there's a lot of road noise on it, but this is the spring. It's a natural spring, and it's been capped off where it's got a nozzle on it where people can come and get some water. And we'll walk up here, if you can hear me, walk up here and we'll take a look at the water that's coming out of here. This is a cool little place. It's nothing more than a PVC pipe. It's pushed down into the spring itself, and it's constant running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I thought it was pretty cool. I apologize for the road noise, but I thought it was pretty cool that someone came out and put up a nice, beautiful sign that's been hand done. And it's a good way right there to find yourself in heaven the rest of eternity, just by simply going down that list right there. That's really a good prayer. I like it. And remember, we are in the Bible Belt down here, which is something I like being in. But if you look out, it's just beautiful old woods out here all around. You know, back in the 14th century, I think everybody's heard of Ponce de Leon. He came here in the 14th century, and he really basically mapped the coastline of Florida. And there's a local myth around that, you know, Ponce de Leon was in search of the Fountain of Youth. And there's even a exhibit over in St. Augustine where he allegedly found the Fountain of Youth, and that you could drink and bathe out of that water, and you would restore your youth, which is a good thing if it really was true. But it's just a myth, and everybody kind of liked going and seeing the Fountain of Youth over in St. Augustine. It's kind of a cool attraction. But local rumor around here is that it was true, and that Ponce de Leon, actually, he was just off in his exploration, because really the Fountain of Youth was right here, and they're calling this the Fountain of Youth. That if you actually take this water and you bathe in it, wash your face and your hands, and you actually drink this water, and you see how beautiful that water is. Say, drinking this water actually, I'm sorry about the road noise. You can drink this water, and you can take 10 years off your life. So I thought I'd give it a try today. Just give it a shot. I don't feel nothing. Think I should take another swallow?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Let's try it one more. I don't feel no different. I guess this just goes to prove that, you only want to believe a half of what you see and none of what you hear. So until we see you next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.